Okay, we should be live. So welcome guys, welcome to the Epoch 296 giveaway. Today we have 7 prizes. It's nice to be back with one of these again. So yeah, we have 7 prizes to make up for the gap. The last one was in Epoch 290 for the Gogan event, so it's been around a month since the last one. So yeah, so today we have 7 giveaways or 7 prizes. 6 of them are these HYPESKULL resurrection just in the middle, and the other one is 7 Genesis radiation NFT that I got from one of our delegators, one of the artists that are in Queen Ada stake pool. So I also made some changes to the code today, so let's see if it works. It was working when I was testing, so yeah. Let me minimize that and minimize me. Okay, and hide this mess. Okay. So we'll get straight to it. So I don't need that. Cardano tools. So you can see actually the latest change in the Cardano tools repository. I don't think I linked it in the tweet this time, but I usually do, so you can check the other tweets. So here, what do we have? Let's go to code and go to the feature square root branch. So there was a commit 13 minutes ago. So I changed a bit the calculation for the square root. Instead of square rooting the number of Lovelaces, now I'm square rooting the number of ADA. So I'm first taking the active stake and then I'm dividing it by 1,000,000 to get the stake in ADA, and then I'm using the square root. And also I'm printing a nice, I just added how much ADA the person has, so you will straight away be able to figure out if it's you or not. But let's see if it works in practice. So first things first, they always have to download this latest ledger JSON. So let's go here. So here I already did a, but let's just do that first. So that should take a few minutes. Usually it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I can go back to this tweet, see, so we have 6 of these, we have 1 proclivity. So this is the artist in our Telegram group, he's VZ. So he has a couple of these different ones. Well, he likes these Antios AI ones, but he also has his own art that he's selling. And these, I think he told me he sold 1 or 2 for 50 ADA. So, and let's see how that art looks on Pool PM. So these are my skulls in the Queen address, but oh, it's not on this one. I must have it on the other one. Ah, here you go. So this is the Genesis Radiation 3. I think he gave us one of the better ones. I really like it, although it is a bit gory. But yeah, I think whoever wins this will like it. And then the other ones, of course, are the HYPESKULL. So these guys are selling for anywhere between 30 and 60 ADA, I saw on cnft.io. So if I go to CNFT analytics, a lot of the recent ones are these. So there's 1500 of these in total, one for each origin skull. But I think if you don't own one, well, I would say that it's a good idea to have one at least. So, and they look like this on these websites, but the full version is this one here. So I will play it again. And it comes with sound. I don't know if the sound is coming through. So that's it. The idea actually here was, so the guys, let me pause it. I don't know if the sound came through there. And actually, let me check out. Okay, it's still running. I hope it. I'm actually pushing it really close this time with the deadline. So I hope it pulls it down before the epoch crossover. But yeah, the idea with these was, so there's the guys who have done the HYPESKULLs are on chype.com. And they had these 1500 NFTs, these skull NFTs. You can watch the video, it's maybe I'll play a little bit of it. So they launched these skulls. They were quite expensive, starting from 200 ADA to the last tier was 550. Every 100 skulls were selling 25 ADA more. But so they weren't sure if they were gonna sell out. So the idea was if they weren't gonna sell out, they were going to burn the remaining skulls after September 30th. And they actually sold out. So to celebrate that, they created this resurrection NFT. So like the skulls were meant to be burnt, but instead they got resurrected. I think it's pretty cool. So let's see how we're doing. Okay, let's see actually. Yeah, no, it should. There's only one node running on that one now, so it should finish. And then actually, I'm not sure what the idea with the other ones are, but there's actually a policy ID. Maybe we can look up the others. Let's see if this works. Maybe an NFT. I don't know if I copied that right. Policy. Maybe it just takes some time, or maybe I can look on cnft.io and see what the other ones are. How is the other one doing? No, it's still... What time did we start? About 10 minutes ago. It sometimes takes up to 10 minutes. So what is it called again? Genesis radiation. Of course, I have to filter out the unverified. Okay, so there's 3 others that I see here going. So there's 1, the 2, the 3 that I have that we're giving away today. This one, and then the 4th one. Maybe this one was sold, and so the guy's trying to sell it for double. I don't know. I'm just a guess. Yeah. So okay, so it finished. So let's see. It's here now. Ledger JSON. Let's see tail. Just to see. Yeah. So it finished. It downloaded fully. So I'm going to just show these. So we are on branch. So this is the path for the tool Git repository. We are on branch feature SQRT, and this is the commit hash, so we can confirm that this is the latest. So I haven't made any changes. Because I'm on main, I need to change the feature SQRT. So there you go, it's the same hash. So I'm on the latest, and if I do git status, there's nothing, the code isn't changed. So now what we want to do, we downloaded the ledger JSON file. So now we want to actually run the command. So today we have 7 prizes, so we have to slightly adapt the command. So let's see. So I still want to exclude my 2 addresses. This is the POV ID, and winners, instead of 1 we want to do 7, and min tokens still 1, and square root. So copy that and run it. Looks good. So what else? That was pretty much it. Other cool thing with the HYPESKULLs, I mean, full disclosure, I bought a lot of them, so I really like the project. But another cool thing with these is there's only 1,500 of them compared to your general NFT collection or release. They usually release like 10,000 of them, or so in some cases it's 30,000. In HYPESKULL's case, there was only 1,500, but there's going to be more in the future, but they are going to be released by this current skull owners. So this is called Vapor. So all of the skull owners are going to get, for each skull that they own, they're going to get one of these NFTs, Vapor NFTs, which will allow them to create new skulls. To combine their one skull with the Vapor, and then they can create a new one while keeping the original. And this Vapor adds a special effect to the skull. So here are just 2 examples. So just a little trailer. Okay, so how is everything going? So we have 7 winners. Current epoch is 296. So this was actually pulled from the file, so we know we're on the correct epoch. So it's correct file. It's not outdated. and we've excluded these addresses. We've excluded the LHK address because I think it's still currently active, and then it pulls down the addresses of the stake pool because I can't win my own giveaways. So I think I can minimize this now. So let's see, it should be very soon now. Maybe in the meantime I can see if there's any comments. Let's go, we never see banks hosting giveaways. That's true. The future of money is so cool. No sound. Best of luck to the small ones. I hope there is sound. Maybe just the videos that I played. If not, this would have been a big failure, but what can you do? So where is our so there we go, we have 7 winners. So let's just confirm that the code actually worked. So we have so here I'm just printing each address and how much either ADA they have or the tickets, I can't remember, because the tickets is equal to the square root of the ADA that they have. So here it just prints the full list of these addresses. So the total eligible tickets is 100,000 tickets, but you see we have the total eligible stake is 28 million. So this is the result of the square rooting of each person's ADA. But now let's see, so the winning number here, so let's just check this guy, 141 out of 100,000 ADAs or tickets. So let's just multiply 141 by 141, and that comes to around 19,000 ADA, yeah. And then let's just check that they have around that. So yeah, they have around 19,000 ADA. So there you go, we have 7 winners. All of them, I would say, apart from this guy has 500,000 ADA, but this guy, for example, has only 289 ADA, which is really great for him or her. 20,000, 5,000, 10,000, 17,000, and this guy got the resurrection NFT. So congrats, guys. Let's see if we have any comments. If not, we will finish. The player didn't have sound. That's okay, yeah. But you can check out these videos where, well, the resurrection NFT I posted in the Telegram group, so you can find it there. And then that vapor one you can see in on Twitter. If you go to where do they have the other guy? Just quickly, I think the guy's name is Have You Seen Hype or something like that. Have you seen Hype? Yeah. So if you go to this guy's account, so yeah, the video is pinned to his account. So there you go. Congratulations to the winners and better luck to the rest next time. Hopefully the next one will be a lot sooner. So yeah, thank you.